1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here we are, and by the way, it's like April, and what I've done is I've had a 2-inch drop on this post here, or more like 3 really, and I've got that just about level, a little pitch on there. I did see a little bit of cracking here that I probably should had another bottle jack over here in this area to avoid that, but for now I've got it pumped up like that, and I've got the bottle jacks in place. I've got about a 4-inch gap underneath there now on each one. Okay, you can kind of see the gap there is all the way coming over. Okay, really pronounced over here, but I've got this pitched the way I want it now. I've got my great stuff foam here. Just a quick tip, if you get these at Home Depot, they seem to be the cheapest, and if you buy more than 12 you get another break on the price, maybe 20% off. And these bottle caps, or the great stuff cans, they have a little stem on them like this. Okay, so what I've done is I've put it on this poly tubing here. It's 10 feet in length, and what this poly tubing will do, so I found another tube here that I got at Home Depot also that will go over top of that HDPE tubing. So I'm thinking what I'll do is I'll chop that in half and push the foam back onto the back side and then draw it out. So, but before I do that, I'm going to put some concrete blocks in here in each one of these bottle jack positions and set them vertically, so that'll give support. Then I'm also, in between each one, I'm going to put 2 4 by 16 by I think they're 8 wide blocks flat in here in between these bottle jacks, just to give some extra support, because I don't like the idea of just the foam supporting all that. It can probably do it, but I don't know how long it's going to last. All right, back after a bit. We're finishing up, we're getting close to finishing up. We got a little bit of an issue down here at this end with some previous crack that we had, but it's got a little bit of pitch on it, which is what we wanted. And you can see that this is a 4 by 20 foot long sidewalk piece that we're looking at doing. We've set some cinder blocks on edge there. There's 1 there, 2, 3, 4, and 5 down on the other block with with 2 flat stones blocks in between each. Foam on top. We foamed underneath. We used 20 cans of this great stuff that we got from Home Depot, and it really came up. You can see here now that we're getting close to level with the step. So I just got to do a little bit of backfill of dirt, and that should just about be done. We got a little bit of cracking here. We're going to address that with some patch on top, but we should be all good. Okay, thanks. All right, here we are the following day after we got the foam put in, and you can see the sidewalk turned out pretty good here. I put some dirt backfill in here so that we could level it up with the lawn. Actually, 2 things were happening. It's not just the sidewalk that was sinking, but also the grass had been sinking, which I did not realize. So I had to bring in about 3 or 4 inches of dirt there as well. So that helped level it out. So we just have to plant some grass seed there. I think we'll be done, but you can see it turned out pretty good. Okay, so the main concern was keeping this level, and I got a little bit of concrete work to do over here, but it kind of leveled up nicely and turned out very well. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help out. Total cost of materials was probably, the bottle jacks cost me on sale about $60, and the foam cost about another $50 or $60, and the tubing another $10, so about $120. Did it myself. I had two guys quote me. They wanted $1,700 and then not be out for about 8 weeks before they could do this job for me. So I'm sure they would have done a little bit better, but I ended up saving some time and money on this one, I think. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.